Okay, in this video I want to go over 4 proven and tested strategies to work with local awareness ads. The first strategy is about increasing local brand awareness. So the purpose of this campaign is making people aware about your business and that you are out there. So just saying, hello, I'm here, come and visit me. But here's the thing, you don't want to create boring campaigns like get the best pizza in town. That's not exciting at all. Probably I would just go to McDonald's and get a burger, right? You want to tell people what's special about your business, what's special about you. Now, marketers call this special thing, this special something, unique selling proposition. I call it the tell a friend test. It's the reason you would provide to a friend to go with you to a local store, to a local business. So let's take a look at this ad here because it's a great example. So the local business is called Fuki Sushi, right? And the ad tells, founded in 1978, Fuki Sushi was the first Japanese restaurant in Palo Alto. So what's special about this? Well, it's the first Japanese restaurant in Palo Alto. I personally love sushi. I could live in a sushi restaurant. But if I would have to go to a sushi restaurant, then I would probably just go to this one. If it's nearby, if I know that I love sushi, and hey, it's something special because it's really the first restaurant that they opened in Palo Alto, heck, I would go there, right? So seriously, provide a reason why someone should go to your place, to your business, to your restaurant, to your beauty salon, and not to the business of your competitors, right? Tell people what's special about you, get them excited. And it can be anything. It can be the history of your business, or a celebrity who was your customer, awards that you won, or the number of reviews that you got on Yelp or TripAdvisor, or maybe some special products that you sell that people cannot get somewhere else. Be creative and don't be boring. Get potential clients excited about you and your business. Tell them what's really special about you, and please remember the tell a friend test. It's a great test to make sure that you created a great ad that will perform well. Next, you can encourage your visitors to shop in your store, right? So we have 2 ads here. You can either ask them to buy something like a gift that's on their wish list, or well, you just ask them to take a drink. And this is a great ad here. Rough day at the office, good thing happy hour is just around the corner. So tell them, hey, come to my bar, take a drink. You will absolutely love our drinks, and just relax. So this is pretty intuitive. You're just basically asking customers to come to your store and you leave money on the table. Then you can inform potential customers about happy hours. For example, about happy hours that take place every Monday from 8 to 10 p.m. If you do something like that, if there are some regular special deals, then inform nearby customers about that. Don't forget about it. People always love to save money. And if you tell them what's special about your business and also that they can save money, they will automatically come to you. And last but not least, you can inform your customers about special deals, right? For example, a 20% discount on everything on the 1st December of 2015. You can provide a link just as in the left ad, so the person nearby can get more information about your promotion, or which is a really great and sneaky way to get a like, is to ask for a like to get more details, just like in the right ad. So these are 4 different ways to use local awareness ads to grow your business. Now go ahead, pick one strategy and take action. Now start growing your business today.